today because I'm here at the For Life Skills Centre where the clients and staff are doing some preparation for our MicroToons launch event.
Hi Rina, how are you? Good to see you.
It's been a while.
Thank you. Want some more for you?
Thank you.
So Patricia, what do you and your team have on the plan for today?
Okay, so today we are putting the stickers on 300 bottles of water. We're gonna cut the cupcake toppers, prepare like 100 sausage rolls for the day. It's pretty busy today. These are the popcorn bags. So we have all of them, they need to be labeled around 300. So we are just gonna cut it like this.
Yeah.
And once we cook the cupcakes, we're gonna put some cream on the top, and then we'll put a topper there.
Well done. Well done.
Tanya, so what have you been busy with?
I've been busy with the popcorn today.
You guys have to do this? Great job. Look at that. Yeah, I got it. Like a machine.
I am a machine.
Patricia, can you tell us a little bit of your involvement in MicroToons since the first MicroToons?
Okay, well, For Life Skills has been helping for the catering event, preparing the meals, helping with the decoration. Yeah, so we break this program in like 5 weeks. It's called Programs of Support, and it's helping people to gain skills, either like in the kitchen, like cooking skills. I love how the clients get involved with the different activities. They learn about science, they interact with more people, they do something different, and they learn.
It was really good.
Yeah?
You know, good movie. You go around and you walk around.
You walk around, there's activities you do.
Activities, yeah.
Do you remember? I feel so privileged and empowered to witness the spirit of MicroToons lived out. It's not just a science story, but a platform for developing skills and to champion the contributions made by wonderful people who live with disabilities.